Hello everyone, combustion and flame. This is our today's topic, and first of all I just want to share with you that what actually is a combustion and what is flame, because these two terms are actually correlated. Before that, I just want to ask you a question. If you have no inverter facility at home and at night light goes, so for getting a source of light, what you are trying to do? Obviously, you will try to lit a candle. When you lit a candle, you will find there will be a flame form. Means the source of light, which is candle, is blowing because of a flame, that is yellow colored structure formed on the top. This is the structure of that flame which will be formed. So that will give us light. But have you ever thought, if you are having a piece of coal instead of candle, will you be able to get this flame? Obviously not. You people have never tried, but if it is possible for you to try, you can try this. You will not get a flame if you are using that coal as a source of light. Coal can be burned, but it will not give you light. It can give you heat more, whereas light can be given very slightly, but the amount is very less if you are comparing it with the candle. So this is what I just want to share with you, that why there is certain substance which is showing a flame, whereas certain other substance is not showing a flame. And actually both are burning. And when something is burning, actually that substance is showing combustion. So first I want to tell you the definition of combustion. Combustion is the process in which a substance reacts chemically in the presence of oxygen. It will give out energy in any form. It can be in the form of heat, it can be in the form of light, sometimes even it can be in the form of sound also. So these are different types of combustion which we will be reading in the chapter later. First, we will be just discussing about what is combustion, why there is combustion shown by certain substances, why certain substances are showing more combustion and why some substances are showing less combustion. To understand it better, that whether all the substances will show combustion or no, we can perform an activity. And what we have to do in the activity is, we have to collect certain materials and then try to burn them. Now I will take a few materials. These are a few materials which I have took. Now what I have to do is, I have to burn them one by one by using a matchstick. When you will use a matchstick and you will try to burn paper, you will find that paper is burning. So it is a substance which shows burning, it shows combustion. See, I have written cloth, it will show burning. Water, it will not show combustion. Pebble, it will not show combustion. Sand will not show combustion. Coal will show combustion, it will burn. Now what you will observe from the activity is that all the materials which I have listed are not having ability to show reaction with oxygen. Water is not able to burn, your pebble is not able to burn, sand is not able to burn, but other materials can burn. So a substance which is having ability to show combustion in the presence of oxygen is called as a combustible material or combustible substance. And these substances are also given another term which is a fuel. So wherever we will have a substance which we call as fuel is actually a combustible substance. The substances which will not show any sort of combustion will be categorized as non-combustible substances, and these will not be considered as fuel. So basically what we will find from the activity is, not all the substances which we are having in our surroundings are combustible. There are only few substances which are combustible and which we can call as fuel. So this was an activity to explain you why we categorize some substances as fuel whereas others are not called as fuel. So combustible substances, if you will notice, you will find your petrol, your diesel, kerosene, these are under the category of fuel as these are combustible. Whereas glass, water, pebble, sand, all these are not combustible, so these will be categorized as non-combustible substances. Hope now it is clear to you that what actually are the combustible substances and what are non-combustible substances. After that, we will try to do another activity which will help you to understand better that oxygen is very important for combustion process. For that, what you need is, you have to take two burning candles of same size and just place them on a candle stand. If you are not having a candle stand, you can place it otherwise also. Now, what you will find that when you have lit the candles, both the candles are burning. You have to take a glass jar. Put the glass jar on one of the candles in a way that it will completely cover the candle. But there will be some space should be left. Now you will find after some time your candle will blow off. It will no more be lit, whereas the another one is still burning. What is the reason behind? As it is tightly packed, you have just placed it, there will be no oxygen entering more in that particular container, and oxygen supports burning. So because of the lack of oxygen, burning will not occur. So until you are providing a substance oxygen, it will be showing combustion. And why I am telling you this thing? Because when we are talking about fire at a point, then we should be knowing that what actually is the cause of fire. There can be two things which are the cause of fire. One is you should be having a substance which is burning, means you should be having a combustible substance. Another thing which you should be having is the supporter of burning, that is oxygen should be present. If anyhow you cut off the supply of oxygen, means you are not supporting burning that time, or you are not supporting combustion that time, it means your burning will stop. Whether a substance is combustible, if you are not providing any supporter like oxygen, then your substance will not be showing combustion. This is the purpose of that activity, to help you understand that for any substance to show combustion, it must have a supporter of combustion, and that is oxygen. Until you are not providing that supporter, you are not able to continue combustion. Now this was an activity to help you understand the need of air. Now it is clear to you that for combustion to take place, we need two main substances. One is combustible substance and second is supporter of combustion. And supporter is what? It is oxygen. So this is just a brief about combustible and non-combustible substances. Hope it is clear to you now.